Lesson 33. Please answer the questions. Control. How do you maintain control over your daily schedule? Have you ever been in a situation where you felt completely out of control? Do you think it's important to control your emotions in difficult situations? Speakers. What kind of speakers do you prefer for listening to music? Have you ever attended a conference with inspiring speakers? How important are good speakers for your home entertainment system? Wonder. Do you ever wonder what your life will be like in 10 years? What natural wonders of the world would you like to visit? How do you nurture a sense of wonder and curiosity in your daily life? Bicycle. Do you enjoy riding a bicycle? Where do you like to ride? What was your first bicycle like? Do you think bicycles are a good solution for urban transportation? Priority, prior. What is your top priority for the next year? How do you handle tasks that take priority over your usual routine? What prior experience do you have that prepared you for your current job? Attention. Pay attention. How do you ensure you pay attention to important details in your work? What distracts you the most when you need to pay attention? Have you ever felt like someone wasn't paying attention to you during an important conversation? Baby, babysit. Have you ever had to babysit for a friend or family member? What do you think is the most challenging part of taking care of a baby? How do you feel about having a baby in the future? Little, a little. Can you share a little about your favorite hobby? How do you manage to find a little time for yourself each day? Do you think it's important to celebrate even the little achievements in life? Sing, sang, sung. Singer. Do you like to sing? Or have you ever sung in a choir? Who's your favorite singer and what makes them stand out to you? Have you ever sung karaoke and how was the experience? Miss. Are you Miss or Mrs. or Mr.? Do you know any Miss Brown? Do you watch Miss World or Miss Universe on TV? Over. What's a challenge you've had to get over recently? Do you prefer to look over things carefully or make quick decisions? How do you feel about traveling over long distances? transfer. Have you ever had to transfer to a different school or job? How was the experience? What's the most memorable transfer of skills or knowledge you've experienced? Do you think transferring money internationally is becoming easier? Upset. What typically makes you feel upset and how do you deal with it? Have you ever had to comfort someone who was very upset? How do you bounce back from an upsetting situation? Morning. What's your usual morning routine? Are you a morning person or do you prefer staying up late? How do you motivate yourself to get up in the morning when you feel tired? Proposal, propose. Have you ever had to propose a new idea at work or school? How would you like to be proposed to, or how did your proposal go? What was the most interesting proposal you've ever heard? Afraid. To be afraid of. What is something you used to be afraid of but have overcome? Are you afraid of trying new things or do you embrace them? How do you handle situations where you feel afraid? Before. What's something you wish you had done before starting your current job? Have you ever felt like you've met someone before, even if you haven't? How do you prepare before an important meeting or event? Mixture. Do you like to mix different cuisines when cooking? What's your favorite mixture of ingredients for a salad or smoothie? How do you feel about mixing work and leisure activities? Prize. Have you ever won a prize? What was it for? What kind of prize would motivate you to enter a competition? Do you think prizes are a good way to encourage participation? Sunny. What's your favorite activity to do on a sunny day? How do you protect yourself from the sun when you're outdoors? Do you prefer sunny weather or do you like cloudy days more? Tear, tore, torn. Tear. Have you ever torn a piece of clothing? How did it happen? What movie or book has brought tears to your eyes? How do you repair something that has been torn? We. How do you think we can work together better as a team? What's a goal we both share and can work towards? Is there any? Do you think we should take a different approach to solving this problem? What kind of problem? We don't have any problem together, do we? Orchestra. Have you ever been to an orchestra performance, and how was it? Do you play any instruments that are typically found in an orchestra? What's your favorite piece of music performed by an orchestra? Loss. How do you cope with the loss of something or someone important to you? Have you ever learned something valuable from a significant loss? What strategies do you use to help someone else deal with loss? Entertainment. What type of entertainment do you enjoy the most and why? How do you feel about the current trends in entertainment? Have you ever considered working in the entertainment industry? Fruit or fruits. What's your favorite fruit and how do you like to eat it? Do you prefer fresh fruits or fruit-based snacks? Have you ever tried growing your own fruits and how did it go? Special, specialist. What makes a holiday or event special for you? Have you ever needed to see a specialist for something and how was the experience? What special skills do you have that you are proud of? Toothpaste. What brand of toothpaste do you prefer and why? How often do you change your toothpaste brand or flavor? Have you ever tried making your own toothpaste? Birthday, birth. How do you usually celebrate your birthday? What's the most memorable birthday you've ever had? How do you feel about the significance of your birth month? Chair. Do you have a favorite chair at home? Why do you like it? What do you look for in a comfortable chair? Have you ever participated in a musical chairs game? How did it go? And that's all for today. Thank you for your answers and see you next time. Bye-bye.